Akfix ThermCoat, thermal and acoustic polyurethane spray insulation foam. Perfect choice for high-quality thermal and acoustic insulation. Provides a unique and monolithic thermal insulation without junctures and gaps. Fast, easy and practical application. Akfix ThermCoat spray insulation foam can be applied by basically anyone, regardless of being a professional or amateur. What you basically need is Akfix ThermCoat application apparatus, foam application gun, and Akfix 800C foam cleaner. As for your safety and health, a disposable overall, gloves, safety goggles and mask. Attach the special application apparatus on the tip of the foam gun. Make sure that the apparatus is attached firmly and tightly on the tip of the gun to avoid leakage on the tip. Shake the foam can swiftly for at least 20 times and then attach on the application gun. Adjust the foam outflow volume by the help of the screw located at the back of the application gun. Clean the dust, dirt and grease on the application surface to ensure a permanent and robust adhesion. Just like for the entire single-component polyurethane foam types, dampening the surfaces prior to the application enhances both the curing rate and the expansion rate. Apply the insulation foam at a distance of approximately 40 to 45 centimeters from the surface. The recommended application thickness to achieve the ideal heat and sound insulation is 5 centimeters. With 1 can of spray insulation foam, insulation of an area up to 3 square meters with the thickness of 1.5 centimeters can be ensured. It can be used for the purpose of insulation and filling gaps on interior and exterior walls in wooden buildings, OSB plywoods, and underfloor applications. It can further be used on the entire rough and unplastered surfaces such as cast concrete, shotcrete, concrete shear walls, and precast concrete panels. Just like for the rough and porous surfaces, it's also highly convenient for smooth surfaces. It can be applied on deck sheet and even on glass. Serves for the maintenance of the integrity of surfaces such as brick and autoclaved aerated concrete. Supports the integrity of the masonry walls. Easily applicable on indoor and outdoor structures of buildings. Parts over-expended after application can be trimmed, plastered and coated. It can be applied on hot and cold water pipes. Thus, it ensures the preservation of the temperature of the fluids and gas passing through these pipes. Application on the air conditioning and ventilation pipes contributes to the reduction of the heating and cooling costs. It can conveniently be used on inverted surfaces. Attach the apparatus B on the tip of the gun and apply the product at a distance of 15 to 20 centimeters to the surfaces. Thanks to its high adhesion strength, it shall instantly be adhered on the surface. After the product is finished, the application gun and both tips of the application apparatus are required to be cleaned with the foam cleaner. Thanks to its high adhesion strength, it can safely and reliably be applied on the entire known construction materials such as metal, wood, concrete, brick, glass and the like. It can conveniently and easily be applied on indoor and outdoor structures of buildings, partition walls, roofs, subfloor, air conditioning and ventilation walls, hot and cold water pipes, various discharge and waste pipes, beveled, corrugated and irregular structures. Just like its equivalent heat and sound insulation materials, it does not require any mechanical fastening such as nails, screws, screw anchors, cement and the like. The foam cured in the outdoor applications should be coated. As it is a monolithic insulation solution without joints, it prevents the formation of thermal bridge. Thus, it does not allow for the heat transfer and optimally reduces the energy costs of buildings. Thanks to its high acoustic insulation feature, It enhances the sound impermeability and offers a comfortable and peaceful indoor experience. Akfix ThermCoat. Everything you'll need for thermal and acoustic insulation.